Hey, what's up, Bitcoin holder? What's the price target, my friend, at the end of this month, my brother? Let's see what's the price target, what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis of Bitcoin. Everything I'm going to discuss now. What experts says about that? Absolutely, my friend. First of all, if you can see here, 73.24% the volume was increasing. So hope you understand to the Bitcoin price target was be very high now and very huge in upcoming days. So buy it before I tell you, my friend. Definitely they will give you a very huge profit. Let's talk about the price target, my friend. If we check out just in only the volume of whether to 73.24% it was increasing, and make sure my whether when volume was increasing, then that's mean to holders and buyers are investing more and more day by day. So therefore, if the volume was increasing, then the market cap was also increasing. So 10.42%, you can see here the market cap was increasing, and make sure when the price was increasing 10.43%, absolutely the price will be changed to 20,000 USD dollar. So absolutely this time you can see here the volume is 73% increasing. So I think, my friend, 60 to 50 to 60% the price of Bitcoin will be increasing now. So if 60 to 50% the price will be increased, I will give you the guarantee to they will hit now $30,000 to $35,000, my friend. Very huge target, my friend, and very huge target, my friend, of Bitcoin. And I'm sure they will hit just in only, my friend, in a few days. Yeah, at the end of this month, this was the target, my brother. So I'm sure they will hit now. But my brother, obviously it was very high risk because it will more crash down also now. So therefore, if you take this high risk, absolutely, my friend, you will take a very high amount profit also. So therefore I think it depends on you. Kindly research personally more about that. But my brother, it is too high risky, so be careful. Okay guys, so you can see, my friend, this time the Bitcoin price was totally crashing down hour by hour, minute by minute, and day by day. So how is it possible? We will need to invest or we will need to sell. What we will need, my friend? So my advice for everyone to kindly hold in those days if you are already holder. But if you want to buy more, buy it. I'm sure I will give you guarantee, my brothers, so they will give you a profit because the price is very cheap, guys. It is unexpected term, my brother, and I'm sure they will be pumping up and they will give you a very huge profit. So hope you enjoyed, my friend, this video, and this video will helpful for you. Kindly hold out in those days and wait for the end of this month. I'm sure they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.